Number 10, the whole room cheered for the star. Number 9, the dance slowly turned incredibly wild and hype. Number 8, the cheers matched the drink shower perfectly together. Number 7, dance battle or friendly dance-off today. Number 6, the singing was genuinely fun without being over the top. Number 5, can they teach us the iconic dance of the century? Number 4, chaotic dancing flying gear everywhere. Number 3, showing off the medals while proudly slow dancing. Number 2, love the dance and hilarious acting. And number 1, the cool sunglasses made the dance even more hype.